Today we are going to discuss about writing skill. The topic is English notice writing. A notice is a written or printed piece of information which is given to a large group of people, informing them about an event or program that is scheduled for some time in future. It is displayed on notice boards of schools, colleges, organizations and government bodies where everybody can read it conveniently. There are some points to be remembered. Points to be remembered while writing notice. Everybody should keep in mind these points, certain points. Number one, a notice must be enclosed in a box. Number two, word limit should not exceed 50 words. It should be written in 40 to 50 words only, and only the words of bodies are counted, not all the words. Number three is only relevant information should be included. Do not add any irrelevant information. Means notice should be short and clear. Now number four, a notice should be written on a fresh page. Nothing else should be written on the page on which the notice is written. The paper of the notice should be fresh. Number five, personal pronouns like I, me, you and we should not be used. A notice is written in the third person. And sixth point, that is last point, passive form of voice is used to write the body of the notice. Now there are some examples of different type of notice. First is notice for lost or found. Question number one, you are Shyamli Verma of class 8B. You have lost your library book which was issued to you in the playground. Drop the notice for the school notice board informing the students about it. How notice for this question will be written? There is an example. First of all, name of the school is written on the top, in the middle and top, that is Val Vikas Public School Ambala, and all the letters of the Vidyalaya will be written in capital letters. Below that we write notice in capital letter and write in the middle. After that, on the left side write the date in the certain format is given there, 17th February 2020. No other format will be accepted. You can write February 17, 2020 or 17th February 2020. Only this format is acceptable. After that, topic of the notice is written. First letter of each word is written in capital, like lost, as written there. Now body of the notice, all the students are hereby informed that I have lost a math book issued from school library. It bears library stamp and has a blue cover on it. He who finds it is requested to return it to the undersigned. Shyamli Verma, class 8B. It is written left side, where the body of the notice, content of the notice is ended. Left side, below that you write your name first, after that class and section, etc., etc. Second example is, you are Amar Amrita of Kendriya Vidyalaya DLW Varanasi. You have found a water bottle lying in the school playground during lunch, draft a notice for school notice board informing the students about it. It is the notice of found. Earlier you have seen the notice of last, here notice of found. First of all, name of the Vidyalaya is written on the middle top, that is Kendriya Vidyalaya DLW Varanasi. All the letters are written in capital letters. Below that, notice is written in the middle, and all the letters of notice are also in capital. In the left side, July 22, 2020 date. Don't write DATE, never. DATE is never written. And subject found. First letter is capital, all found. Found. First F is capital in all threes. Now body content. All the students are hereby informed that a water bottle has been found in the school playground during lunch. The water bottle is blue in color with a smiley sticker on it. The owner of the bottle is requested to contact the undersigned and take it back, giving proof of being the real owner. And below that, on the left side, you write your name, or name will be written only given in the question paper. If in the question paper there is no name, don't write your name, write XYZ. So Amar Amrita, class 8B. Now some other notices, like notice for event or competition. Student, next example, you study in Lotus Public School, Delhi. Your school is holding a cultural fiesta for collecting funds for the flood victims of Kashmir. Draft a notice for your school notice board giving details of the program. Sign yourself as Ketan Mehta, Cultural Secretary. And the format and notice is like this. Lotus Public School, Delhi. It is written on the middle top in capital letters. Below that, notice is written in capital letter, and on the left side, date is written 15th July 2020, and the topic is appeal for flood victims. Only first letter of the topic, all the words are written in small letters, but first letter of all the words will be written in capital, like appeal A capital, flood F capital, and victims V capital. Now the content is, all the students are hereby informed that a cultural fiesta is being organized by the school. The money collected will go to the Prime Minister's Relief Fund for the flood victims of Kashmir. The program is as follows. Date 21st July 2020. Time 4 p.m. Venue school auditorium. Ticket rupees 100 each. Chief guest Mr. S.K. Goswami, SSP North Division. For further details, contact the undersigned. And below that, on the left side, sign and name Ketan Mehta,